Today's video tutorial, we're looking at the Amazfit Balance smartwatch and a very interesting feature known as water ejection. So these smartwatches are capable of being submerged in the water, I guess if that's the word for it. And of course, water resistance or not, they will most likely have the water enter into it. Okay, and these watches in particular have their own built-in speakers on the inside of it. So what we're going to do is, if this is ever the case for you that you suddenly have water in the watch itself, or just to kind of be on the safe side, you will want to be in the clock face view mode here like this and swipe from the very top like this here. And you'll see these toggles here as quick access toggles. Then swipe over until you see that water drop icon right here. And basically what this does when you tap on it, it's going to kind of create this sort of sound and help with ejecting water that might have got trapped inside of it. And you can just read through all of this here. And you want to kind of face the watch downwards this way. Okay, so the buttons will be facing upwards, and your speaker here, which is this speaker right there where my thumb is pointing, you're just kind of face it down that way while you are in that process of ejection. Okay, so I'll go ahead and perform that here just to give you an idea of how it works. Okay, and you'll just wait for the countdown. Okay, so basically that sound is just to kind of blast out whatever water was in there, okay? And if that helped you out, just like the video. And of course, try it again if you need to do more, but that's that, like and sub.